Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick artificial intelligence trading review of the NASDAQ 100 futures contract, the Dow Jones $5 E-mini futures contract, and the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. We'll look at it from an artificial intelligence trading perspective using the daily, weekly, and intraday AI generated engine. Starting with the NASDAQ 100 futures contract. If we look at it from a really big picture perspective, the AI trade, the major market reversal AI trade is still on. That signal came through in, let me just hold this, came through back here in October of 2022, so that trade's still looking good. Now the question is, we're at this resistance zone, so we'll be interesting to see if we're going to get a continuation of this breakout there or come back and consolidate back to 16,000. But so far so good. The major reversal signal worked out well. The fourth quarter 2020, that volatility breakout worked well, and then the short sell in the market also worked well in the first and second quarter of 2022 using artificial intelligence. Now next up we'll look at the daily AI signals. If we go back to scroll back to see some of the previous one, beautiful volatility breakout signal there, lasted for most of April, May and June rally. And then we're back here at the swing trade signal there, got out there pretty quickly after the reversal there. And now on the daily one, we don't have a specific signal on the daily, but we do have a 4-hour signal there that came through in that week. So back in October, the AI signal came through here at the end of the month, a nice volatility breakout signal. And that lasted quite some time. Depending on your trailing stop, the price action within this consolidation, this pullback below the moving averages, that would have raised some concern in terms of a trailing stop loss position. But it's captured most of the move in November, so it's been absolutely fantastic using the AI. On the hourly chart here, the hourly AI, we had a fantastic swing trade signal back here on the 6th of December. Half the position was taken off with this negative price action there, but the rebound kept us in the other half. We're now a little bit extended from the moving averages. The key support zones are 16,763 and 16,680. Do expect these maybe to be tested on a kind of a pullback and consolidation of this entire move, or the whole December move. But so far so good, still looking strong on the hourly chart using the artificial intelligence. Just back to the daily, the easy money certainly been made. We've managed to get past this resistance zone, and now we're battling the weekly resistance zone there. So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to get a continuation of this move, maybe year-end Santa Claus rally. But I think we're kind of part of the Santa Claus rally already. So just watch out for these two support zones to be tested there. Consolidation risk is higher at these elevated levels for the market. But looking for a fresh news signal on the daily from the artificial intelligence perspective. So we'll review that in the next update. Using the AI on the E-minis for the S&P 500 futures contract, we had a beautiful major market reversal swing trade in the fourth quarter of 2022, and that the AI is still in that trade. The S&P's got a bit of a way to go. It's just recently broke past this resistance zone, and the next level to watch out for is this high there. And then this double top, almost a double top there, is very close, but a cluster of resistance there. Took those highs there. So these are the upside targets for the current rally. Support zone is now 4736. Will be interesting to see if that's going to hold. Most likely to hold into the year end as the Santa rally gains momentum, when the next target is 4865, and then 499, 5000 basically. 5,000 zone is the upside targets in the current rally. But the major reversal signal on the futures contract has been fantastic. Multi-month position trade there using the AI. And the next one is the swing trade to the downside. Yeah, worked out well. We've not had a high probability trade set up on the daily one yet. We have to look intraday for that signal to come through. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, let's see if the AI loads there quickly. We had a great signal back here in October, end of the month, volatility breakout trade, and that one worked out well. We had a swing trade there to the downside, but that was very brief, and a quick move to the downside there. But this volatility breakout trade captured most of that move between from this low here at what was the open there? Open of 4,178 all the way up to this cluster of resistance there, and then half the position still in the trade on this last bit of a rally to the upside there. That's on the 4-hour chart. Now take a look at the hourly one, see if there's any AI signals on there. This swing trade, yeah, is still in the trade. It got in here roughly at the zone of 4,500 basically, so a good couple of points on that move, still in that trade. It's not hit the trailing stop. There's been some shorter term swing trades to the downside, but these quick moves are very quick and not very useful on a particularly hourly chart, but still nice trade to the upside there using the artificial intelligence on the hourly chart. So you can see, incorporating the AI on an intraday basis, you can still get some very good profitable signals on the daily chart if the AI did not signal a daily signal on there. Now we can see that previously the AI did capture some really good moves, breakout move there on the S&P, for example. Now do remember, the AI is looking for high probability trade setups, so just because the trade setup did not occur in this particular period of time, it means that particular setup is not consistently profitable. So the AI only looks for trade setups that are consistently profitable, and the AI that we've developed for this one, there we go, is 94% accurate for the major reversal signal. The quick move is about 74% accurate. Swing trade signal is about 84% accurate, and the volatility breakout signal is 61% accurate, trading on the futures contract there. So these are the trading statistics over thousands of trades. That's the average probability of success of that particular AI engine that we use on these futures contracts. Right. Next up is the Dow futures contract. If we just review the trades of the last year or two on the weekly chart, where the AI uses weekly signals, we had a huge volatility breakout there, captured most of that move in for 2021. And then there was a short selling one there, another swing trade move here to the upside, and the AI still in that trade. Now these are the resistance levels that we broke past, so likely to the Dow to come back and retest those for support after a bit of an extended rally. We'll be interested to see if the Christmas rally will consolidate back down to these levels. But so far so good. Nice signals on the weekly chart. Here's the daily. Let's reload that quickly. You can see we had a fantastic swing trade there that worked out for a short last couple of months. Let's see the volatility breakout signal there. Lasted quite well. You got quite hair raising here close to the trailing stop, but that signal back here in November of 22 on the daily is still active on that futures contract there. So far so good. Nice strong rally there. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart. The AI is still in a volatility breakout signal on the 4-hour chart. There was a beautiful strong signal given here at this zone here. There we go, highlight that. So there we go. So that's the entry point for this trade, was 32,967 roughly, and we had 37,000 there on the trade. The AI is still in this trade on the Dow futures contract. Will be interesting to see if it's going to hit the trading stop loss as we move along to the upside. The AI has now got a new trailing stop here at 37,453. Just below 37,500 is the trailing stop in this one. But beautiful trade there on the Dow mini contracts there. Strong move, couple of weeks using the artificial intelligence engine there. Let's take a look at the hourly one. Now do remember, this AI we're using has only been trained on daily data, so we are looking at fractal mathematics, fractals, and cycles to use the same AI engine on the intraday and 4-hour and hourly chart. Technically speaking, you need to go and retrain the AI on those particular time frames if you want a higher success rate or higher probability of success in for signals on those particular instruments. But so far the swing trade's working well here. On the hourly one, you can see a quick move to the downside there, quick move there, swing trade to the downside there. So do capture some of the moves on the hourly one as well. Back to the daily chart. The trailing stop for this particular trade is 37,453, roughly down there. That's the AI generated trailing stop. So we did capture a fantastic move using the AI on an intraday basis on the Dow E-minis. So far so good, winning with AI. And this brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on the Metastock platform.